This thing doesn't even fit in my house. Oh my god, guys. So listen up. I wanted to show you guys this Willard. All right. And let me tell you, it's pretty impressive how well these boats are. I've never really come across any of them. But I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough so you guys. They came originally with some wing tubes. Look at this back here. So I guess this is the old numbers for, I would assume it's a 24-foot rib made in 92, maybe the 40th one made if I had to guess. The guy who sold it to me took off the outdrive. I don't need that. I don't need that at all. So this is the back. This is kind of cool. So water can get out. You know, I'll change that and fix this. Make it out of Hypalon. All this stuff is like really heavy duty, man. Look at this here on the transom. All heavy duty stuff, man. I just got back, guys. I just got back. Let me show you inside this monster so you guys can get an idea of what this looks like. Here you got a nice lifeline that comes here all the way to the bow of the boat, which is kind of cool, you know. Look at this space now. All right, here's the console, but check out the space now. Look at the space in here now without the engine. So it's here. I mean, this all comes up here. You can actually put the transom, I'm sorry, the console all the way up to get service in there. Look at this area here, right? This is, I mean, you can do anything in here. You can put storage, ice, fish, who knows. This also comes apart from back here and move it. See that? Look, and you have access down here. So, I mean, I still don't know which direction I'm gonna go. This is gonna be kind of like a long-term project for me. But I definitely wanted to share it with you guys so you guys can see, you know. Look at all the things that they have to do and the little reminders, you know. This is, look at this. This was super impressive over here too. Like I said, guys, I don't come across this here. But look at this. Look at this, man. Look at that. Look at that. Talk about a monster, man. This thing is made like a tank. I mean, so interesting. You got more storage here. Look at this. Wow. Look at all this storage, man. I mean, who knows? I mean, who knows what I can do in here if I wanted to. Since this is, I'm going to put outboards on this. Look how much space I have in here now. I mean, there's a million things I can do in here. I mean, the sky's the limit right now. I mean, shoot. You build a tiny house in there. But look at these hinges. I mean, man, this thing is raw water strainer. Well, guys, this will be a long-term project. Look at the size of the compass that was here, people. Look at the size of the compass. I mean, there's definitely a lot of work here. A lot of work, and if I were to take on this project the way that I envision it, I think La Bestia is gonna have to move, because I'm just not gonna have enough space for it. So we will see. I think we'll start off with the tubes. Put nice Hyperlon tubes, and then see what we can do. Alright guys, listen, well, I'm back, I'm exhausted, I'm tired. I definitely wanted to show you guys all this stuff here. Alright, just wanted to show all this stuff so you guys can check it out. Alright.